Welcome to another video in a series about using Google Classroom with NVDA or JAWS. In this video, we will explore how to add a class comment or a private comment. Although I'm using JAWS for this demonstration, the commands are similar in NVDA. In the previous videos, we explored three detail pages: assignment, question, and material. All three pages have fields to add a class comment, and on the assignment and question detail pages, you can also add a private comment that only goes to your teacher. I'll demonstrate how to add a class comment on an assignment details page. There are two ways to get to a comment field on one of the detail pages. The first way is to start at the heading for the title and then use your down arrow to go step by step until you reach the comment field that you want. The other way is to use a quick command, E for edit, that works in both NVDA and JAWS. I'm going to use the E command now until I get to the class comment field.
Add class comment, edit required.
I heard that I'm on the class comment edit required field, and that's where I want to be. Once you get to the comment field, follow these steps. Press enter to access text mode.
Enter main region. Add class comment, edit required. Type in text.
We heard that it's ready to accept text, so I'm going to add my comment now.
I-E-A-L-Y-S-P-E-N-J-O-Y-E-S-P-A-E-S-P-V-I-D-E-O.
I typed that I really enjoyed the video, and now I can press tab to access the post button to add my class comment.
9/7 discussion prep. Boreal wetland basin. Left margin. Post button to activate. Press enter.
I heard to activate the post button, press enter, so I'll do that.
Enter 9/7 discussion prep. Boreal wetland basin. Main region. Add class comment. Edit required. Type in text. Comment added.
The last thing I heard was comment added, but before that I heard that I could add another class comment. And that's just kind of a little thing that Google Classroom does, is it automatically opens up another comment field for you to put in yet another comment. If you don't want to put in another comment, just use your down arrow to leave the field.
Main region end.
Note that sometimes, and this often happens in NVDA, that the down arrow will not move you to the next field. And that is because you are not in browser mode. So if that happens, just use your screen reader command to return to browser mode. And that's how to add a class comment. Now let's look at how to add a private comment. I've got a different assignment open, and in this assignment I've missed the due date. So I want to send a private comment to my teacher explaining the situation and hoping that she'll give me a little more time. To get to the private comment field, we can use the same methods that we did for the class comment field. We can either go to the title and then use our down arrow to go step by step until we hear private comment, or we can use the quick command shortcut key E for edit to go to that field. Make sure if you want to add a private comment that you start in the private comment field and not the class comment field, because remember, all of your classmates will see a class comment, but only the teacher will see a private comment. So I'm going to use the quick command E now until I hear that I'm in the private comment field.
Add class comment, edit required. Type your answer, edit. Add private comment, edit required.
The second time I heard that I was in the private comment, so that's where I can add my comment to the teacher. The procedure is the same. I'll press enter to access text mode.
Enter complementary region. Add private comment. Edit required. Type in text.
I'm going to ask my teacher for a few more days.
I space N E E D space F E space O R E space D A Y S space P E A S E.
So I told the teacher I need a few more days, please. That's the end of my comment, so I'll press Tab to get to the Post button.
Post button to activate. Press Enter.
And I'll press Enter to activate it.
9/3 Opinion ABC Poem. Complimentary region. Add private comment. Edit required. Type in text. Private note added.
The last thing I heard was private note added, but just like when I was in the class comment, it automatically opened up another comment edit field for me to add yet another comment. I don't want that, so I'm just going to use my down arrow until I get out of those fields.
Post button on the Help and Feedback button menu collapsed.
And again, if your down arrow doesn't work, check to make sure that you are in browser mode. So that's how you can add both a class comment and a private comment to one of the detail pages.